Guys, and welcome back to this tutorial. In the previous section we have managed to create a script that will basically take the player from one level to the next based on the score. In our case it was when the score had reached 3, we will then basically use the scene manager to load a brand new scene. In this section, what we will do is start to create a timer. Timers are often useful in games to put a bit of pressure on the player. And again, in this section, we'll start to create a timer that will count from 0 to 1 to 3 and so forth, and increase every second. So to do so, we're going to go back to Unity, and again, I'm going to display remove this message. It's no longer relevant. And again, start to create a brand new object, an empty object, and this object will be called timer. Okay. Now, for this object again, it's an empty object, which means that we don't really need to display it in the scene, but however, because we want the script to run, we just need to make sure that this script is attached to an object, and in this case I chose an empty object. So I'm going to add component and I'm going to call it timer. Okay, so again it will Unity will see that it's a new script. So again, new script, create, and by default again it will be displayed right there. Again, it's being compiled straight away. That is done now. So again, once this is compiled, I just need to double click on that. So again, this class is called timer. So what I will do is quite simply now, what is happening here? Okay, interesting. Interesting. I will leave that there for time being. Now I think sometime this happened if you put release and release. Yeah, that's done again. Yeah, perfect. So that's gone. Okay, so again I'm going to create a variable called time. So again it's going to be an integer. And again, what I'm going to say is at the start my time is 0. But then again,